continuation of our tutorials. We shall be continuing shortly. Okay. Okay, we shall be continuing shortly. So I remember I explained this earlier, letting you guys know about the heading tags, paragraph tag. This one, there are links. When we get to links, we'll talk more about this link here. Alright, we'll talk more about link here. So we'll talk about the emphasize. This one, they are used to format. Okay, they are formatting tags. They are used to format our content. Alright, so this one is what the unordered list. Unordered list we show. If you see, you can actually see it shows what list of items. Okay, list of items. So this is an unordered list. So again, I'll be showing you the ordered list. All right, the difference between this unordered list and the ordered list, the ordered list is going to show them in let's say in maybe as in 1 2 3 4 5 6. The difference is just change this letter U down to O. All right, that shows ordered list. As you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5. All right, you can decide to add. The list remain the same, only the words this ordered list and the unordered list changes. All right, the list remain the same. So this one is the unordered list. So let's have our ordered list here, unordered list here. So unordered list, then our ordered list. Okay, so friends, the next thing we'll be looking at is the comment. When we talk about comment is what comment is like a reference, letting the user of your application, sorry, not the user of your application, rather maybe the person who is going to be reading your codes to understand better what you were trying to do. All right, what you were trying to do or what you tried doing. All right, so that's what comment does. All right, like the name implies, comment. Like I think in basic programming language they call it a remark. It's like a remark. Or maybe when you are working with complex codes, right? Or maybe when you're working with complex program, all right, well, you might see a comment there. Maybe the code was not written by you originally. You might see the comment stating what developer was trying to do initially. All right, so let's see our comment work. In HTML, to comment, you do this. Okay, you say this is a comment. When you run this code, you are not going to see the comment in this part. You will not see, because you can see now this part is the comment is what is fainting. All right, so you can actually see that here. Okay, the comment is always with gray color. So is this gray a bit ash? Okay, so this is always the color of the comment. Okay, this is how you comment in your HTML. So there's a shortcut for that. If I want to comment in my using my VS Code, just select everything, then press Ctrl question mark. Okay, select everything and press Ctrl question mark. Alright, I can comment only this guy. I'll move my cursor down to this part. Okay, I'll press Ctrl then question mark. Alright, don't forget the shortcut Ctrl question mark. Alright, so I want to comment everything out here, so you can see everything is out. Alright, but when you open the source code using your for Windows, you can use Ctrl U. On Mac, you use I think Alt Command U. Yes, Alt Command U. You can see now this is a comment. Alright, checking it on our browser. This is it. This is our comment. Right, this is our comment. Alright, so let's proceed. Then we might want to take these guys out. I'm gonna take them out. Then okay, I think we can take this one out as well. Can take this guy out as well. So the next thing we want to do is we're talking about styling. When we talk about styling talks, just as the name implies, like designing, putting colors to the interface, making the interface look beautiful. Okay, that is what the styling is all about. So we are going to be starting with about what they call inline styling or inline CSS. So you do this way. All right, so let's start writing a new application. Let's say the shortcut, if you don't want to use doc type and all that, writing code from scratch, just hold your shift key, then your exclamation mark, press your enter key. Okay, say change the title. I am learning JavaScript, web design. Okay, yeah, okay, I don't want this guys for now. All right, so I can decide to have my h1. Remember h1 there, press your tab. Let's say welcome to my website. Okay, welcome to my website. You have to reload this guy. Okay, so this is style now. This style, with styling we can take this text to the center, to the middle. With style we can do whatever we want to do. All right, let's see this guy in full screen. You can see it's by this side. So with style we can take it down to the middle. So all we have to do, just say style, say text align center. We centralize it. Look at it from this part. Yeah, centralize it. So we can try to give it a color. So you can say color red. Okay, you can see now our site is taking shape. It's taking shape. So you can decide to increase this font size. Like you want to increase or make the font big or bigger, and say font size. You can say let's say 450 pixel. Okay, ouch, very big. I mean very big. Take a look at something. It's very big. All right, it's very big. So you can take it to 100 pixel. Okay, look at it now. Take a look at something here. All right, so we'll continue in the next video. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you guys. Do not. Okay, we'll be continuing from where we stopped in our last video. So today we'll be looking at, let's wrap this test so you can see everything. Okay, we'll be looking at block quotes. Okay, we're looking at block quotes. For example, a quote by somebody. Okay, let's say you can use a paragraph tag. Let's see this quote. Success is possible when you make yourself available. Okay, Charles checking. Okay, success is possible and not easily available. Okay, this is a quote from Charles. So for us to do this, let's make this thing 30%. Sorry. Okay, so this is possible but not easily available. So you are going to be using, you can say paragraph. Okay, just cut it, put it here. Okay, inside the paragraph you can use block quotes. Okay, block quotes. No worry. Okay, you can see this is possible, it's not lazily available. So this is how you use block quotes. You can see, well, if we remove this block quote, let's remove it. Okay, when we remove it, you can see that when you quote it, it moves closely down to the center. Can you see now? So this is a quote. Okay, this is how you use block quote. Some people can still use the same quotes, a quote rather. I think something like this. Quotes. Okay. Quote should be a tag. Quote. I think something like this. Ouch. do something like this. Quotes, no, just the same thing. Just go with the block quote. Okay, go with the block quote. So yes, it's possible, but not lazily available. Okay, alright. So guys, that is how you can talk about what we will be talking, what we have talked about code, how we can apply it. Okay, this is how you can apply your code, your block code. So talk about the quote. So the next thing we're talking about, can remove this quote. Talking about is, though we'll talk about it before. So but before we talk about that, let's take a look at CSS in HTML. Okay, CSS HTML. This is CSS in HTML. Okay, sometimes called inline CSS. Inline CSS. Okay, with this inline CSS, you can apply different things you want to apply. Okay, ranging from you can use CSS to transform your website, the beauty, and all that. So let's say, for example, there are some things you can see here: text align center. You can see text align right. Okay, you move the text down to the right, just like MS Word. Text align. When you are typing, if you're on VS Code, mainly you are typing, you will see some suggestions. Let's say just align. Let's say left. Okay, left. You move it to the left. So this is it, guys. So let's talk little on colors, HTML colors. Okay, colors. In HTML, you spell color this way. Okay, and not this way. You don't spell color like this, rather you spell color this way. Okay, in programming you don't spell it like this, you spell it this way. Okay, so let's take a look at some colors. Some colors you can apply for your design. Okay, so don't forget to comment. Alright, some colors you can apply for your design. You can have so some color you can apply for your design. Have blue, orange, okay, tomato. You can have tomato, cyan, red, dodge, blue, okay, slate, blue, purple, indigo, violet, okay, black really a color, and some of the color you can have. Okay, some of them, like you can see here, there are a lot of colors you can apply. Okay, a lot of color. You can say sky blue. Let's use light blue. Light blue. Okay, so these are some of the colors. Alright, you can apply. So let's try applying tomato and see. Ouch. Don't mind me, please. Okay, you can see tomato. Okay, you can try to apply orange. You can do the rest yourself. This orange, use tomato. Okay, so guys, this is all about colors. You can use as different color as you want. Okay, but for now, this is for the colors we might be using in our design. Alright, so you can decide to use the color, color of your choice, like pink. Yes, pink. Yeah, yes, pink. Okay, so we can take off these colors now. Take off these colors. Okay, so let's throw more light on HTML links. Okay, let's throw more light on links. okay, HTML links. Okay, HTML and HTML links. Maybe we'll be having a separate video for just this HTML link. Okay, with HTML links you can have message, you can have email, you can have SMS, you can have call, to be able to call somebody. Okay, yeah, so you can have link for hyperlink, for URL. So let's just take a look at, let's say one, so dealing with hyperlinks. Okay, so we can have okay, for web address, for making calls, for sending email, for sending SMS. Okay, for sending SMS. So you can see we're going to be looking at this stuff, or let's say dealing with HTML links. Okay, so let's give this guy black, please. Okay, so let's say the first one for web address, you start with your a, the anchor tag. Okay, a, you start with your ref, right, is the place you want to go to. For example, I want to go to Facebook, HTTP, or you can use double slash, so facebook.com. Okay, you should state that this HTTPS or HTTP. Okay, or what it says. Okay, you can close it. Yeah, you can say go to Facebook. Okay, you can see it's already blue. When you click on it, it will take you to Facebook. But however, we want the user to still be on this our page to still be active, but the person can go to Facebook. You can invite your target. Target is an attribute. Okay, every HTML element has an attribute. Okay, target, you use blank. Okay, you use blank. When you click on it now, it will open it in new tab, but this our page will still be active. Let's see. Yeah, you can see I'm not connected to the internet, so you can see here it's still active. Okay, when you open it, you move to the next tab, open a new tab rather. Okay, so the next one is to make us, so in the same way, say a ref instead of HTTP. Okay, let's complete this again. HTTPS instead of this. Okay, you just use the same tel, put this guy, it's still you are going to be using. Okay, you can say 9076. Okay, let's say this is your phone number. Okay, you can be like call Turkey. When you click on it, okay, oh, let me teach you something. When you click on a link, when you visit a link, or you visit a web address, the link becomes purple. This is purple now, yeah, it becomes purple. But when you are visiting that link, it's going to be blue. So let's see. Actually, it's trying to make call. He asked me to open FaceTime to call this very particular person, but we don't want to do that. You can try it on your own, trying to use your phone to do that. All right, so let's see. Okay, next one is to send email. Let's say a ref. Okay, say mail to. Okay, mail to. Then you can say admin@me.com. okay, you can say email me. Okay, this should take you to send your email. You can put a question mark here, query subject, which should be the subject of your email. Let's say learning. You can use the and. Okay, I think message, then you can type in your message here. Okay, Alright, so this is for email. You can see, let's try trying to use any of my email. Let's try to open my mail now. It's trying to open my email. Okay, it's trying to open my mailbox, but I don't want to do that. Alright, so the lab and the list is to send SMS. So you just come like this. You say I'll be using a please a ref. Okay, you say SMS, then you can put this number to send message to this number. Put question, you can say message. Okay, so yeah, can you hello bro, I'm learning. Okay, so you can be like message me. So can you see now? Let's click on it. It's trying to open my messages. Okay, so this is what you can use. So I haven't done this, so I believe you will understand. If you don't understand, try to watch the video over and over again. I need to watch it over and over again. Okay, so I'm going to clean these guys. Okay, these guys. So let's talk about images in HTML. So working with what? Let's reduce this thing to 20, please. Okay, dealing with images in HTML. I believe you can see it with images in HTML. So for you to bring an image to your HTML page, you must have to know the parts of the image. Okay, that is the location of the image. That's what I mean by part of the image. So you use the img. Okay, img. The img. Okay, please, I'm used to the shortcut. You should learn it because it will help your development to be faster. Okay, when you're developing to make it faster. This, I told you that every HTML element has an attribute. This auto tag means that when this image is not active, this is the text that is going to show. When this guy is not active, this is the text that is going to show. Alright, so let's try and get an image. Okay, let's say we have this. Let's say image. Okay, copy this image. Look for our web design. So create a folder called images. Okay, so post this image here. So come to this place, open your image. You can see the images here. Okay, the image is already here. So just access the image, put your period sign, say in images, locate image.png. Let's see. You can see the images on the page currently. You can see here's the image. So you can make the image small. Okay, let's use our let's say this is the image. Okay, so the image is big. If you don't want this image to be, you can use your inline CSS, say style. Okay, you say height, maybe you say 70%, for example. So you can see the image now is smaller. That is 170. You can see the image now, right? So friends, this is how you can deal with images. Okay, let's say this image is not found, and see if our alt tag will show. Yeah, this is the image, alt attribute rather. So you can see this is the image. It shows this because the image was not found. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. In the next video we'll be talking about more things. I'm just showing you guys this so that, because by the time we start developing, you should have understand most things. Alright, you should have understand most things. But most time when we get to CSS, I will tell you that you may not have to be using inline CSS. You can either use your external CSS. I think it will be better. Okay, external CSS. This one just to get things done very quick. Okay, to get things done very quick. But we'll be working with our external CSS. Okay, so this is it, guys. So thanks for watching. Do not forget